Welcome to your destination for delicious and healthy keto recipes. Today, we're about to whip up a mouth-watering keto turkey and cabbage stir-fry that's not only low-carb, but also bursting with flavor. Let's dive into the video. Wait, before starting the Keto Cleanse video, I introduce you to Icaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 1 lb ground turkey, 4 cups shredded cabbage, 1 bell pepper thinly sliced, 2 cloves garlic, minced 2 tablespoons coconut aminos a soy sauce alternative, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon ginger, mint, salt and pepper to taste, sliced green onions for garnish. Heat sesame oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add ground turkey and cook until browned. Stir in minced garlic and minced ginger and cook for another 1-2 minutes. Add shredded cabbage and sliced bell pepper to the skillet and cook until the vegetables are tender crisp. Pour in the coconut aminos and season with salt and pepper. Garnish with sliced green onions before serving. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat. To get the Icaria Lean supplement, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment us, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.